Good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
सर आज का टॉपिक क्या है?
Yes. Good morning, children. Today, let us discuss next chapter. The next chapter in literature. That is Fight Manju Fight. Chapter
Important
4.
chapter name.
Chapter 4. Okay. Chapter 4, children.
Sir, but the compounds and not completed.
That is completed. Now complete all the worksheets yourself. Okay. We have discussed it thoroughly. We have discussed it. Compound sentence, phrase, clause, etc. Everything. So this week, beginning on 12th July, let us discuss the next chapter in English literature titled Fight Manju Fight.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. It is chapter 4. Fight Manju
Five.
Fight. By
Sirgun Srivastava.
Sigurun Srivastava. By Sigurun Srivastava. Pre-reading task, children.
Sir.
Open your book. Open your book. It is chapter 4.
Srivastava नहीं.
Okay, that is the same. Now, one letter doesn't matter. Inclusion or exclusion, one letter. Yes.
सर बुक में A लिखा हुआ है.
Yeah, that is. It is there.
मेरे में नहीं लिखा.
It is there. Is it there, children?
सर हम लोग रीडिंग मार सकते हैं.
Wait, just wait. Wait. Pre-reading task first. Children, Sigurun Srivastava, the author of this text, of this story, focuses on some especially enabled children, some especially enabled boys and girls.
सर वो जर्मो इंडियन थी.
Yeah, German Indian, na? Yeah. Yes, profile. As far as the writer's profile is concerned, yeah, she is a German Indian. German Indian. Okay. So the name is clear. The name also tells a lot about her. Okay. So that is something related to her profile. Right, children? Profile of the author. Well, so pre-reading task, my children, my question is, how do we treat or behave with a child, with a girl, with a boy who is handicapped or differently able-bodied? Okay, how do we behave? Suppose someone is slightly blind, someone is handicapped, physically handicapped, someone is mentally handicapped, you can say. So how, actually, as a matter of fact, they are also human beings. They are also human beings. This cannot be. We should not ignore them. We should not neglect them. Actually, they need our attention a bit. We need to pay attention to their, to their development, so that one day they can also be able to lead a respectful life in society. They cannot be neglected. Okay, we cannot leave them to their fate. We cannot leave this matter to the destiny or to the to God. If it is so, their life can be very miserable, maybe miserable. So the author Sigurun Srivastava emphasizes some duties on the part of society, okay, so that differently able-bodied, differently, that is handicapped. Someone is blind, someone is lame, someone cannot speak, someone cannot see, someone cannot, hear. So mentally they are, you can say, mentally they are handicapped, mentally they are retarded, mentally they are weak, physically they are weak. So we need to encourage them, and if encouragement is given to them, if they are motivated, okay, by society, by relatives, by the government as well, gradually they also start improving, they also start building some talent, they can also develop some skills and some techniques, understand, uh, to to overcome their challenges. They are challenged people, physically and mentally they are challenged, okay, by birth. You know, children, most of them are by birth handicapped or challenged. So they also, so such people, such children, such boys and such girls, they deserve our what? Our attention. They deserve our, efforts, and some efforts in a positive manner. If some efforts are put in a positive manner, their life also start changing, and one day they are established. Nowadays the government is doing a lot for their well-being. Do you know, children? Hello? Hello, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. So in this, actually, here we are going to talk about a girl whose name is Manju.
Manju.
Yes, her name is Manju, and children, her toes and her fingers, they are malformed, they are deformed, they are not in normal shape. Okay, you can say they are very, clumsy, they are twisted, they are twirled, and they are deformed. They are, okay, her hands are, her fingers are, and her toes are not as we have.
सर आपका वीडियो फ्रीज हो गया.
Okay, let me
नो
check.
सर फ्रीज नहीं है.
Okay, it is
नो
okay.
सर उसमें तरफ से प्रॉब्लम होगी.
Yeah.
सर फ्रीज हो गया आपका वीडियो.
Okay,
नो
okay.
सर नहीं हुआ.
Okay, okay.
नहीं हुआ.
नो सर एकदम ठीक.
Okay. If everything is okay, don't disturb the class, children. Pre-reading task we are discussing. So there are many children, and one of them is Manju. Manju, she belongs to a middle class family. Her father is a job holder, and it is a middle class family. It is the family is, listen, Manju's family is not very rich. Her family is not very rich. The income is limited, that is earned by her father. Okay, but despite her deformation, despite her challenges, physical challenges, Manju is an intelligent girl. She is a clever girl. She wants to, children. She wants to excel. She wants to excel herself in painting. See how, it is not like, such a you can say such a practice, or such a, habit is not like, because painting, to do painting, one should be able to hold brush, etc., very, in a correct manner. But how can Manju hold a brush to draw something, to paint a picture, or to take up painting to start painting? Because her fingers are malformed, deformed. Okay, they are abnormally, gifted. They are abnormally, designed by God. So she cannot. Okay, even her toes, पैरों की अंगुलियां और उनके नाखून, पैरों की अंगुलियां को टोज कहते हैं. एंड दीज आर आवर fingers. 10 fingers we have, and we have 10 toes. So Manju's fingers and toes, they are abnormal. They are in abnormal shape, and she cannot hold even pen and pencil. But see, her interest is in painting, and this is why she is concerned about her passion. What is her passion? Painting. What is her choice that she is interested in and she wants to excel in? That is painting. She is a student also. She is a student also, studying in class 7, you can say. But her interest is painting. Her fondness is, she is fond of painting. She is interested in painting. Her parents are, even her mother, even her brother and father, they are not, they are surprised. They are surprised to know that Manju is interested in painting. So how can she excel in painting when she cannot hold anything with her fingers? We can do it easily because our fingers are normally shaped. They are in normal shape, size, form. Okay, everything okay. But her fingers are like this way, abnormally deformed, you can say. So she is physically challenged. Okay, mentally she is okay. Mentally she is okay. She can speak, she can hear, she can,
Yes, sir.
she can think, she can discuss, she can do everything. So mentally she is fit and fine and sound and healthy. But physically she is not
Silent.
fit and sound. And you can say, uh, it is something, you can say, surprising. It is a bit surprising to know that Manju, whose fingers are deformed, her passion is painting. So this is a bit surprising. But yes, Manju, she is determined actually. She is determined to take forward her passion. And this is why she is trying to convince her mother, she is trying to convince her father, and even her brother Amol. But yes, children, ultimately you can see that there are hurdles, there are many hindrances, many types of obstacles are there in the way of her passion, her fondness, okay? But ultimately, she comes up victorious. She comes up very, she comes up a winner. Okay, so remaining, let us, okay, start reading today, children. So, first of all, let me see the main characters of this text. The main characters are number one, Manjula Parelkar. Number two, her father. Number three, her mother.
Mother.
Yeah. And number four, her
Her
brother, whose name is
Anmol.
Amol. What? Anmol or Amol?
Anmol.
Anmol Parelkar. See. So these are the main characters of this text, of this story, of this
सर
poem.
रिच बेलेंजर भी है
हाँ,
सर
yes,
रिच
yes.
बेलेंजर भी है
So that appears in the last part of the story. Rich what is rich?
बेलेंगर
Belanger, yeah. And finally,
Belanger.
children, yes, you are right.
रिच बेलेंगर
Thank you, children. Rich Belanger. Who is Rich Belanger?
नासाऊ सर
हाँ?
नासाऊ
सर फुटबॉलर
Yes, a footballer.
सर he plays soccer with his artificial feet
Yeah, you are right. You are right. Yes, कर दो उधर कर दो।
yes sir ठीक है
तुम लोग करो, एक- एक-
not